recent experience with you. Last year, my business was stuck and it was clear we needed a bold change on our product proposition. Our distribution channels was undoubtedly too weak. I was thinking about new markets abroad and new channel of distribution for us. But my budget drove me to search for cost containment. So we needed a brand new partner which could bring us skills, speed and responsiveness. Someone capable to share our enthusiasm on the project. Now, I had a crew in mind, a journey. And so here we are. It has been well worth it. It has been a key year for us. Productive, exciting, fraught with valuable experiences. It's progressing every day. The new business has finally started to produce the desired results. So we can now look forward to the future with excitement and optimism. Previnet is leading us to a safe journey. We experienced know-how injection, impressive time to market, a really cutting-edge set of tools and services. Costs, I can assure you, we stuck to the budget. Let's say we can make it.